Finding the x and y intercepts with standard form is one of the easiest things you can do with straight lines. Let's start by finding the x-intercept. And this is a very simple process. If I want the x-intercept, I am going to pretend that y is not in this equation at all. I'm just going to remove it. So I'm going to cover it up with the end of this pencil. If I got rid of y, I would have an equation that says 3x equals 12. And all I have to do is solve that little equation to find my x-intercept. Someone tell me, if I wanted to solve this one-step equation, 3x equals 12, what would I do to get rid of the 3? Clara? I would divide. So all I have to do here is divide by 3, and I have that x equals 4. That means my x-intercept is positive 4. On the x-axis, I find positive 4 and I make a dot. That's the first half of my answer. Now let's find the y-intercept. Same idea. If I want the y-intercept, let's cover up x. So if that wasn't there, we have an equation that looks like negative 2y minus 12. So let's write that. Negative 2y, I'm sorry, not minus 12, equals 12. Same thing. It's a one-step equation. We'll solve it the same way. Let's divide by negative 2. So for this one, we get that y equals 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. We have our x-intercept, we have our y-intercept. And graphing this is extremely simple. So let me show you real quick what the graph looks like, how you do this. You're going to be doing this in your homework this evening, and you'll be doing it on your test at the end of the chapter. So we have our intercepts. We have x equals 4, we have y equals negative 6. So let me go ahead and draw a grid here for us. And here's all this means. Very, very simple. X-intercept equals 4. Here's my x-axis. Positive 4, is that to the right or the left? It's to the right. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a dot. My y-intercept is negative 6, so should I go up or down? Okay. Y-intercept, so on the y-axis, go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. Connect the dots, you're done. You don't need to make an XY table. You don't need to keep plugging things in. You don't need 5 different points. You find just the 2 intercepts. You put them on the axes. You connect them. That's the end.